Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video we are going to solve a really interesting equation and calculate the values of a and b. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite these equations here and give them a number. So let us say that this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now you might be tempted to kind of calculate the value of one of the variable and then resubstituting it in the second equation. But we are not going to follow that approach. Instead of that, what we are going to do is use a very simple method. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. So that would mean a square minus b is subtracted from b square minus of a on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side we have 31 minus of 31. Now let us open the bracket here. So this is a square minus b square plus a is equal to 0. Now if you notice, we can take out a pair in such a manner that the powers of both the variables are same. So for example, a and b here have the power as 2 and a and b here have the power as 1. So let us reframe the question as a square minus b square minus of b plus a is equal to 0. Now after this, in this part of the equation, we can use the standard identity of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is given as a minus b multiplied by a plus b, and from this let us take out minus 1 as common. So minus 1 if taken out from this as common will give us b minus a is equal to 0. Now clearly, if you notice, if we have to take a minus b common from this entire angle here, so we'll have to take again a minus common from here. So this is a minus b multiplied by a plus b, minus 1 remaining intact, and there is an internal minus 1 which can now be taken out as common. So this minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 would become plus 1. So this would be a minus b multiplied by a plus b, and then minus 1 and 1 would become 1, and then we have a minus b is equal to 0. So now if you notice, from this equation and from this equation we can take out a minus b as common. So this is a minus b multiplied by a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the product of two factors here is 0, so that means either the value of a minus b is equal to 0 or the value of a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this equation, if we calculate, we get the value of a is equal to b. Now let us substitute this in the second equation over here. So we have a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So in place of b, we'll again write this as a. So this is a plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means the value of 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means the value of 2a would be equal to minus 1. Now let us take 2 down on this side. So the value of a comes out to be minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of a. But as we have calculated, the value of a and b are same, so that means the value of b is also equal to minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet soon. Goodbye.